In this video, we'll show how to install the Microsoft Windows 2016 operating system in UEFI mode by using a Dell Lifecycle Controller on Dell EMC's 14th generation PowerEdge systems. Before you begin, ensure that you have the Microsoft Windows Server 2016 operating system ready. To begin the process, turn on the system. Now, click Virtual Media and then click Connect Virtual Media. The initializing connection dialog box is displayed. Press F2 to go into the System Setup page. Click System BIOS and then click Boot Settings. Ensure that UEFI is set as the boot mode. Click UEFI Boot Settings and then click UEFI Boot Sequence. Make the virtual optical drive as your next boot device and then click OK. Click Back, Finish, and then click Yes to save the changes. Click Finish to exit the System Setup page, and then click Yes to reboot the system. Now, press F10 to go to the Lifecycle Controller. Click OS Deployment. If you have the Dell OEM Recovery DVD media, insert it into your DVD drive and continue with the Lifecycle Controller wizard. If a DVD drive is not present in your system, then use a USB DVD drive. However, if you do not have a USB DVD drive, you can use the Virtual Media method. If you want to use the Virtual Media method, then you need to have the Microsoft Windows Server 2016 ISO image ready in your system. In this video, we will be using the Virtual Media method for installation. Next, click Deploy OS. If the virtual disk is not present, you'll be redirected to the RAID configuration wizard to create a virtual disk. Select Configure RAID first to create a new virtual disk. You can also select this option to edit the attributes of an existing virtual disk. If the virtual disk is already present, select Go directly to OS Deployment and then click Next. Under Available Operating Systems, select Microsoft Windows 2016 and then click Next. Note that if the available options do not list Windows Server 2016, then you have to download the latest OS driver pack from dell.com/support and update the drivers on the server before you restart the installation by using Lifecycle Controller. The system loads relevant drivers for the selected OS. This will take less than 5 minutes to compose the OS drivers. Select Manual Install as the installation mode and then click Next. On the Insert OS Media page, click Virtual Media and then click Map CD DVD to map the device. In the Virtual Media Map CD DVD dialog box, click Browse to select the Microsoft Windows 2016 ISO image, and then click Map Device. Validating the operating system media will take less than 2 minutes. The settings are summarized on this page. Click Finish to apply the settings. Once the settings have been applied, the system will reboot and start the OS deployment. Note that after rebooting your system, you'll be prompted to press any key to start the installation. If the key is not pressed, the system does not proceed with the installation. Once you press any key, the OS installation starts. Once the files are loaded, select the appropriate language in which you want to install the OS. If you want to change to another language, reboot the system, boot into the OS media, and then choose the preferred language. You can select the time and currency format of your region, select the keyboard or input method, and then click Next to continue. Click Install Now. This operation might take a while to complete. Note that if you want to install the GUI version, then select the Windows Server 2016 Data Center Desktop Experience and click Next. Read the license agreement. If you agree to the license terms, select I accept the license terms and then click Next. Select Custom, Install Windows Custom Only, click New, and then click Apply. Click OK. The drive partitions are created, and then after this, select the drive where you want to install Microsoft Windows 2016, and then click Next to begin the installation. Note, the system will restart a few times while the installation is in progress. After the installation is successful, the system restarts. Once the system restarts, you have to set the password for the default username administrator. At this point, you can now log into Microsoft Windows Server 2016 using the administrator credentials. Please note, Dell highly recommends that you install the latest hotfixes and security updates from Microsoft on your system by using Windows Updates or by downloading the latest updates after installing the operating system. For more information, go to delltechcenter.com/OS.